Morning, Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's February 15th, and of course the cold weather's come in, and we're going to see what it looks like this morning in the garden. Well, it looks like they said we'd get about an inch of snow. I'd say this is probably more like 7 inches or so. So I guess they were a little bit shy. Some things are covered up. It's actually 11 degrees. It's going to be kind of hard opening up the gate here to get in there. As with the last time, the row covers, a lot of them collapsed from the weight of the snow. Being we know where to go, we'll come on down here. Our garlic is poking its little self out of the ground. I know it's not liking how cold it is. The cover on the onions has collapsed. The beets, everything basically. That's quite a bit of weight with that much snow, even though it is a really, really light snow. You can see on the roof of the greenhouse here, it's kind of heavy laden. Maybe we can get the door open here, and we'll come on inside here and see what it looks like. Okay, it's saying it's 24, the ground temperature is 33, and the upper sensor in here that's up there is 25. You can see how cold it is, and this isn't going to be our coldest night. I'm going to turn this heater just a little bit higher, bring this heat up a little bit more. I'm going to try to get rid of some of the snow weight off the top today, being it's not wanting to slide off on its own. I'll either get it hot enough in here that it'll come off, or I'll have to get something and assist it. But I'll see if I can't warm it up just a little bit first, and we'll go from there. Definitely cold inside the greenhouse, just not so cold as it could have been. I don't actually have a thermometer outside. We can see here that everything pretty much is covered up. Everything's white. Our cilantro, some of it's showing up. Over here are herbs, chives. I'm sure that's going to bite them back. Or thyme, I don't know how it'll do. It's underneath the snow. And our other herbs. But like I say, it's kind of quite a bit. I'm going to have to say it looks like a good 7 inches. And it's supposed to get colder tonight. They keep changing up and down. I think they went down to 1 degree for tonight, which is, I've never seen it that cold since I've been living in East Texas, but I'm not going to say it couldn't happen. If you're facing cold weather where you're at, just let me know down in the comments. Let me know how you're dealing with it. Keep things alive. I plan to move a few more of my starts inside because I don't think that they'll stay warm enough. Some of them that's going to be in the greenhouse with the amount of cool temperatures this evening. But that's what we're looking at. If you want to see more of my videos, just hit subscribe and the bell button. Give this one a big thumbs up, and as always, happy gardening.